The apples are ready in the orchard. The apples are ready in the orchard.
I will bring the big basket. I will bring the big basket.
Wear your old boots. Wear your old boots.
The orchard smells so sweet today. The orchard smells so sweet today.
I am picking the red apples first. I am picking the red apples first.
Hold the branch steady. Hold the branch steady.
This apple should be ripe enough. This apple should be ripe enough.
I am reaching for the top branch. I am reaching for the top branch.
I picked 5 apples already. I picked 5 apples already.
There are so many apples. There are so many apples.
We must fill the basket fully. We must fill the basket fully.
Pass me the basket, please. Pass me the basket, please.
I will check for any bad apples. I will check for any bad apples.
I am wiping the apples clean now. I am wiping the apples clean now.
The basket is finally very full. The basket is finally very full.
I am carrying the heavy basket inside. I am carrying the heavy basket inside.
Wash the apples in the cold water. Wash the apples in the cold water.
The water is very cold. The water is very cold.
We should cut them into small pieces. We should cut them into small pieces.
I am cutting the apples carefully now. I am cutting the apples carefully now.
I found the old recipe book yesterday. I found the old recipe book yesterday.
I will get the big copper pot. I will get the big copper pot.
The pot is heavy but very clean. The pot is heavy but very clean.
I am placing the pot on the stove. I am placing the pot on the stove.
Light the stove now, George. Light the stove now, George.
The fire is burning nicely now. The fire is burning nicely now.
I am adding the apple pieces slowly. I am adding the apple pieces slowly.
We can smell the apples cooking already. We can smell the apples cooking already.
I stirred the pot 10 times already. I stirred the pot 10 times already.
I will add the sugar very soon. I will add the sugar very soon.
You should add the sugar carefully. You should add the sugar carefully.
Oh no, I cannot stop the sugar now. Oh no, I cannot stop the sugar now.
Add some lemon juice quickly, George. Add some lemon juice quickly, George.
I am squeezing the lemon into the pot. I am squeezing the lemon into the pot.
The jam smells much better now. The jam smells much better now.
I am stirring the jam very slowly. I am stirring the jam very slowly.
We must wait for it to thicken. We must wait for it to thicken.
I waited beside the pot patiently. I waited beside the pot patiently. I am tasting the jam with a spoon. I am tasting the jam with a spoon.
It should be ready in 5 minutes. It should be ready in 5 minutes.
I will turn off the stove soon. I will turn off the stove soon.
I counted only 3 empty jars. I counted only 3 empty jars. We do not have enough jars for this. We do not have enough jars for this.
I will find more jars in the shed. I will find more jars in the shed.
I am washing the old jars now. I am washing the old jars now.
These jars are old but very strong. These jars are old but very strong.
Dry the jars now. Dry the jars now.
I am drying each jar with care. I am drying each jar with care.
I labeled 6 jars this morning. I labeled 6 jars this morning.
I am pouring the hot jam carefully. I am pouring the hot jam carefully.
Close the lid very tightly. Close the lid very tightly.
Every jar looks bright and shiny. Every jar looks bright and shiny.
We should let the jars cool down. We should let the jars cool down.
I worked very hard this morning. I worked very hard this morning.
This is our best jam ever made. This is our best jam ever made.
I will give 1 jar to our neighbor. I will give 1 jar to our neighbor.
We can taste it on warm bread tonight. We can taste it on warm bread tonight.
The kitchen still smells like apples. The kitchen still smells like apples.
We made something truly wonderful together this morning. We made something truly wonderful together this morning.